Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Olympia SM-9 on the bench here. Just going to highlight and do a little demo type on it. It has, one of the primary things we did to this was replace the Platen roller up here. Thanks to JJ Short, it has been recovered and working and sounding and printing perfect. So we're just going to do a little demonstration of how things work when you get a new Platen roller. The sound is better, the print is better, the grip on the paper is better. Open this lid and remove this lid real quick here so we can look in here a little closer. Very nice. It's probably the only line I can type very fast, so that's all we got. But looking pretty good. The machine is mint condition now. Top to bottom, inside and out. This came out just beautiful. These are very nice machines to begin with. So that helps that we get a real winner on our hands here. Alright, so that was it. Just wanted to highlight this. Good day.